Welcome to 7CareConnect, the application that cares. 7CareConnect provides a choice of real-time services to the homeless community on the Gold Coast in a dignified, fair and respectful way. The Australian community has many people who are vulnerable: the homeless, people with addiction problems, victims of domestic violence, and those suffering from physical and/or mental health issues. Each has the same basic needs as those who are more fortunate. 7CareConnect focuses on 7 key categories that are essential for a supportive and inclusive community: safety, food, accommodation, support, health, social needs, and education. 7CareConnect provides consistent and accurate information using Google Maps to show the location of services. As an innovative and cost-effective tool, it improves both the management and coordination of resources that benefits both the consumers and the service providers. Consumers have improved access to information about the services being offered, while service providers can easily update their information and keep it accessible. Additionally, sponsors can see where services are provided, as well as how the community benefits from and recognises their support. When you first visit 7CareConnect, the landing page displays. A number of features are immediately available, such as the red SOS button towards the left in the top menu bar. This displays emergency phone numbers. The map shows all available services in the Gold Coast region, each with a different icon so you can identify it more easily. You can zoom in and click on each icon to see the service name, location, and opening hours. There's also a directions button that displays the distance and approximate time to walk there from your current location. The full info button displays all the existing information about the service, including additional notes, eligibility, and whether a cost is associated with the service. The bouncing pointer shows your current location on the map, so you can see where the services are relative to you. The search menu bar. To display only one service, click on the All Services drop-down in the smaller search menu bar and select the service you want. The map changes to show only the icons relating to the service you have just chosen. The left-hand pane. To find further information about the service, click on the 3 horizontal lines button at the very left in the search bar. A left-hand pane opens up to reveal a number of helpful features, some of which can be used without needing a login. Directions. Once you have clicked on an icon on the map, you can select the directions option in the left pane. The distance in kilometres and time to get there by walking, or duration, display in a pop-up window. A line appears on the map showing you the best route to the service. There's also a link to the TransLink Public Transport Services site, where you can enter your location, date and time details to find your best public transport option. To remove your current directions details, just click the Clear Directions option. This also removes the line from the map. This option is required if you wish to change to a different icon on the map. Search by radius in kilometres. The Search by Radius option allows you to select a distance from your current location that varies from 1 to 500 kilometres from a drop-down list. All the available services in that map radius display. Requests. You need to log in to access this feature. Refocus to your location. This option moves the map back to your current location. Notifications. You need to log in to access this feature. Change location. The Change Location option displays a pop-up asking for your permission to allow 7CareConnect to access your location. You can also enter an address if you prefer. The bouncing pointer will immediately move to the new location. 7CareConnect menu bar. There are a number of options in the 7CareConnect menu bar at the top right of the screen. The Service Directory option displays the emergency numbers again, as well as support service numbers and other information about the organisations that are involved in each of the 7 key categories. Under the Help option, you have access to the Consumer Guide. the provider guide, and a bunch of frequently asked questions. There are also calendar, terms of use, and about options, which you can access and read at your leisure for more detailed information. Importantly, this is where you can log in or sign up to the application. The first time through, you will need to sign up and create a specific account type, either as a consumer or a service provider. There are a number of important fields which you will need to provide before your login can be successful, such as your intended username and password. These fields are marked with an asterisk or star so you can easily identify them. If you forget to enter any of these fields, you will be prompted to try again. Once you sign up, you can then log in to 7CareConnect at any time and access all the available features for your account type. After you have created your account, you may change it at a later time if necessary by clicking on the Hide Username option in the top menu bar. The Edit Account pop-up displays, which you can amend and press Update Your Profile to save your changes. To return to the map display at any time, click on the 7CareConnect logo at the top left of the screen, the left-hand pane. Requests. The Requests option is now available. It has 3 additional options: Show Your Requests, Create a Request, and Received Responses. You will need to create a request the first time before anything will display in the other options. When you select Create a Request, a pop-up window, Request Help in your current location, displays. You need to first select the key category that applies to you now from the drop-down list, such as Safety. Then enter your request details and press the Add Request button. You will get a response as soon as possible based upon your key category. The Show Your Requests option displays any outstanding requests you have made where you have received no response. The Received Responses option displays all the responses you have received. Notifications. Notifications are like your own personal email from 7CareConnect. Notifications are sent to you from the service providers or from 7CareConnect when something may be of interest to you, or in case of a general alert, such as a storm warning. The Notifications option has 2 additional options: Settings and Received. When you select Settings, a Notification Settings pop-up window displays where you can select only those key categories that interest you. For example, you may want notifications about food or accommodation, but not about safety or education. Remember to press the Save button. The Received option displays a circled number when there are any outstanding notifications that you haven't read yet. This number disappears after you have accessed the Notification Center pop-up and read the messages there. When you have finished using 7CareConnect at this time, you can sign out, ready to log in again whenever you need it. Remember, if you are in danger at any time, call 000 for emergency police, fire or ambulance help. Thank you for watching.